Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can manage notifications for your account on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me navigate to my account on monday.com, and let's say you'd like to enable or disable specific notifications like browser notifications, email, etc., etc. So to do that, simply click into that bell icon here at the top to access this menu. From here, click into that gear icon. That is going to take you to that notification management center. So you guys, you can enable or turn off desktop notifications here to the right. Of course, you can do that also via Google Chrome, for instance, via your browser notifications, but it works also through your Monday account here. So below, guys, you will see a list of other notification types like system notification, and also, for example, for specific actions like signups, requests, admin, and so on and so forth. So simply go through that list and decide or select or unselect the type of notification you'd like to receive. For example, when someone mentions you, you will receive, for example, one notification via monday.com. Well, that's one of the very few you can't disable, as you can see, but you can disable email notifications for that type. And you can, for example, disable or enable notifications for replies, reactions here for monday.com account, as well as for email, guys. So simply go through that list, and that's it. That's how you manage your notifications on monday.com. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.